Okay, so this is today's lesson. So if you had gone online and finished it, finished the lesson for today, you would have actually gone on to the website, all right, our website, and go to the Learn tab and actually attempted lesson 45. Okay, but you haven't. If you haven't, it's fine. You can answer it right now. Okay, so we're covering three main things today. So we're covering grammar MCQs, we're covering editing, and we're covering stimulus-based conversation. Yes, Kalish, you have a question? I thought I saw you raising your hand. Oh, okay, no question, no question. Oh, Wei Hong, it's a Christmas song. My goodness, I thought what you were doing doesn't even make sense, whatever you were telling me. Okay, let's start. All right, so once again, today is the last lesson of the year. So no more lessons for the rest of the year. Next year's lessons begin in January 8th. Okay, January 8th. All right, let's have a look. Grammar MCQ. Boom, boom. Question 1 over here. So Emmett and Kalish have gotten it correct. You don't need to send me your answers. The rest of you, what is the answer for this? Okay, this is worth 1 point on your class dojo. All right, 1 point on your class dojo. Okay, Reese has given me the answer. Very good. Okay. How about Ci En and Lakshana and Wei Hong? What is the answer for this?
I can't see the question.
You can't see the question? Huh? Okay, I will stop share and then I will share my screen again. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Mr. Joel, I've already done it online.
You've done it online?
Yes.
Okay. You know what? I think it must be because you submitted it at the last minute and then I actually didn't download the latest one. Okay. Let me download the done list again for the people who've done it online. Let's see whether your one appears or not. Okay, export result. Let's see. I've opened it. Yes, Ci En, I see yours. You've done it online. Good. Okay, so Ci En got this one correct as well. So I will need the answers from the rest. Reese has gotten it correct. Wei Hong has gotten it correct. I haven't received Lakshana's answer yet. Okay, so let me explain this part over here. All right, so the answer is, hold on, let me just disable annotation. Okay, so Mr. and Mrs. Miller want to go traveling around the world after they retire. So after is the correct answer here. Okay, so C is the correct answer. So after they retire, which means they stop working, right? So when you stop working, you have a lot of time. So when you have a lot of time, that is when you have the time to go traveling around the world. Okay, if not, you're working, right? You have to take leave and all that. Sometimes you don't have the time. Okay, so if you wanted to use maybe the word if you wanted to use as over here, right? As they retire, it doesn't really make sense over here. As in this case, right, has two meanings. You either as will either mean at the same time, or as can actually mean because. So over here, if we say Mr. and Mrs. Miller want to go traveling around the world because they retire, I think it's supposed to be because they have retired with an ed behind, right? With an ed. Then it will make sense because they have retired or because they are retired. Then we can use the as over here as a meaning of because. If you're using as to mean at the same time, let's think about that. Mr. and Mrs. Miller want to go traveling around the world as they retire. As they retire. So they can retire at the same time as they travel around the world? That doesn't work, right? You can't do it at the same time. First, you must retire first. Then you tell your company, oh, I'm retired. Okay, I quit the job. Then number two, you can go traveling around the world, right? So you must do one first, then you do two. So you can't say that they are being done at the same time. Okay, so therefore A is actually wrong. Okay, so that is that question. So let me just select everyone over here. I've added Ci. Okay, good. Everyone here gets 1 point. And bing. Okay, so 1 point each. Okay. Next, for question number 2. Kalish, you actually got this one wrong. So you need to give me the answer again. Okay. Please check what your answer was online so you don't give me the same answer as the one you gave online again. Okay, Kalish? Now, the rest of you who haven't given me the answers, please send me your answers as well. Emmett and Zhi does not need to send me the answers. They got it correct. All right, Reese, very good. Reese has gotten it correct. Lakshana has gotten it correct. Good. And I'm awaiting Wei Hong and Kalish's answer. Wei Hong is correct. Very good. Still waiting for Kalish's answer on the chat group. On the Zoom chat group. Can you access the Zoom chat group, Kalish? Yeah, just send me the answer directly. If no answers come in 5 seconds, I will take it that you didn't answer. Okay, and then it's 0. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Okay, nothing left. All right. So Lakshana has offered to explain it to us. Okay. I can't see your paper, Kalish. It's actually too bright behind, so I can't see anything. It's too bright. You have to put it closer to your camera. What's your answer? Oh my God, the camera is moving all over the place. What's happening? Okay. Anyway, so for the first one, all right, everyone gets the mark. Except Kalish. So everyone gets the 1 mark, okay? Now Lakshana has offered to explain it to us. So Lakshana, can you tell us why is the answer against?
The answer is against because the school is playing against the Nanyang school. It's not a team with Nanyang Primary. It's
So 2 separate teams and they are
yeah.
basically enemies, right? So you go against each other when you're enemies.
Yeah.
Okay,
So it
so
is
that's
against.
very
So
good.
you
So
cannot write with. So with means Nanyang Primary School and our school is joining and play together as a team.
yes, that's right. Why is it not by?
By means you're playing with them also, but like combined it.
Not really. Normally we say by when we say that something is being organized by or something is being set up by. So it means one school is the one hosting the whole event or something. You can say the event was hosted by or organized by. By can also mean that you're side by side, okay, but not really with kind of thing. Okay, how about for? Why is it not for?
It's because you're not playing for Nanyang Primary School.
Correct. Your school football team is a separate primary school. Yeah, good. So because you explained the other, you didn't just explain why the answer was right, you also explained why the other answers were wrong. Okay, Lakshana gets a bonus 3 points. Okay, so that's the good thing about explaining. So later on, if you guys want to explain as well, you can offer to do it by sending me a chat in the chat group, or you can just type, or you can just unmute yourself and say, Mr. Joel, I want to explain, and then I'll pick you. You have a chance to gain extra points. All right. Okay, let's
I
continue.
can't tell what I built.
That is a very nice looking flowery bicycle thing, but it looks very
Oh.
interesting.
It's just a monster.
It's a monster. Oh my God, I thought it was a bicycle. Okay, question number 3. The children followed the piper and marched what the mountain. Now for this one, Emmett, Kalish, and Zhi got it correct. So you don't need to give me the answers. The rest of you, please give me your answers. So Wei Hong, Lakshana, and Reese. Yes, Emmett, you want to explain?
No, because my PC is about to shut down.
Oh, okay. Do you need to go and grab your charger?
Oh, because it is like a request more time.
Oh, you might want to get your your mom to help you for this. Go get your mom, go get your mom so she can help you to come back to the class, okay? Okay, so have you guys given me the answer? Okay, so yep. Okay, Wei Hong has given me the answer. Reese and Lakshana, very good. Everyone got it correct. The answer is D, right? They march towards the mountain, which means like the mountain is in the distance, right? And then you're marching towards the mountains, yeah? Okay, who wants to explain this? All right. So Lakshana, you've had your turn, but if no one else wants to explain, you can explain. Does anyone else want to explain this question? Why is it towards and why are the other answers wrong? Can anyone explain this to me? Okay, so Kalish wants to give it a try. Okay, good. Kalish, can you unmute yourself? Okay. Do you know where the unmute button is? You just click on the little microphone button, and then the microphone button will have the cancel sign away, and then you can speak after that. Is there an adult that can help you, who can help you unmute yourself, Kalish, and show you where the chat group is? You can do it? Okay, you can do it. Good. Okay, unmute yourself, please. I still can't hear you, Kalish. Wait, he's saying to wait. Okay.
Sorry about
Yes,
that.
I can hear you now. Okay, very good. Can you explain this to us? Thank you.
So the quest, so the, I cannot see the question. Cannot see the
Huh?
question.
I'm
I
showing
cannot see
everyone
the
the
question.
I'm showing everyone the
No, I
question
can
now.
see it. I can see it. I can see it.
Okay, okay. I will stop sharing and then I will share again.
Oh, there it is.
Okay. Come explain.
So towards is because towards at means that you're going somewhere. You're at
Correct.
somewhere. In
Correct.
you're going in. If you say in, that means you're wrong. Is because the children and the piper march in the mountain. So so they're going inside the mountain.
So
Away,
unless the
they're just,
mountain has caves, right? If not, they can't go in, right?
yeah lah.
Yes. Very good.
But
Okay.
away means they are already there and they're going already.
Yeah, so they're going away, right? So you can't say much
But-
away the mountain.
But towards is the answer is because they just started and they are going to the mountain.
Very good. They're marching towards the mountain. Very good, Kalish. So that's 3 points for Kalish. Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, Kalish is very happy. Very good. Okay, Emmett says done solving the problem. Excellent. Okay, let's continue to the next part. Question 4. Okay, our basketball team is very strong. I think we won the tournament this year. Question 4. Emmett, Kalish, and Sian are all correct. Kalish, can you mute yourself, please? Okay,
I don't
so
know
I
how
just
to do that now.
never mind, I'll mute you. That's fine. Okay, you're muted. All right. So waiting for Reese, Lakshana, and Wei Hong. Yes, all of you are correct. Excellent. I think we will win this tournament this year. I think we will. Oh, whoops, I circled the wrong one. I think we will win, right? So we'll win the tournament this year. That's B over here. That's correct. Okay, Lakshana would like to explain. And then Emmett says, I want to answer as well. So Lakshana, maybe the next one you explain, okay? Because Emmett hasn't said anything so far. So Emmett, can you, wait, hold on. Let me just give everyone a point first because everyone's correct. So Emmett, can you explain to us why is it will win? And also tell us why A, C, and D are wrong.
Present tense and because we say this year, that means it hasn't happened yet.
Correct. So we use will to show the future, right? Will win for the future. Okay. Why is A, C, and D wrong? Yeah.